Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we are diving into a super useful topic, 20 everyday phrases to use in office to communicate better with your colleagues. Whether you are working in a bustling office or remotely from home or house, these phrases will help you navigate your professional interactions with ease. So let's get started. Remember, whenever we are speaking in English, it's just your confidence which you should carry. So, first up, let's talk about greetings and starting conversations. How should you start a conversation? So, first is good morning. How was your weekend? So, this will help you start the day with a friendly greeting and can set a positive tone for your interactions. Whenever you are smiling and presenting yourself, people like to interact with you. Second, do you have a moment to chat? This is also a great way for when you need to discuss something without interrupting their workflow. This can be great. Third, can we schedule a meeting to go over this? So, this is perfect for planning a discussion and respecting everyone's time. Your time is important, so is there. Next, let's move on phrases for collaboration and teamwork. Next, fourth point is how can I help with this project? So, you in a way you are offering assistance and this shows you are a team player and willing to contribute. So, always try to help others. Fifth, can you clarify this point for me? So, clarifying ensures everyone is on the same page and reduces misunderstandings. So, do clarify whenever there is any kind of doubt. Sixth, I think we should brainstorm some ideas. So, encouraging a brainstorming session can lead to creative solutions. This point is great. You should always keep this in your mind. Next is what is the status of the current task? So, this is a polite way to check in on progress without sounding pushy. Now, let's talk about phrases for giving and receiving feedbacks. This is pretty important. I appreciate your input on this. So, showing appreciation for feedback fosters a positive work environment. Everyone likes to be appreciated, isn't it? Next, here's my feedback on the report. So be direct yet constructive when producing your thoughts on someone's work. You should not hurt anyone's feeling, but you should professionally sound correct. Next, thank you for your feedback. I'll incorporate your suggestions. Again, receiving feedback gracefully shows you are open to improvement. You should never respond in a rude way. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Moving on. Here are some phrases for making requests and delegating tasks. Could you handle this task by Friday? Being specific about deadlines helps in managing expectations. This is very important. Can you prioritize this assignment? Always remember that prioritization ensures important tasks are addressed promptly. Next, I need your expertise on this issue. Recognizing someone's expertise can be motivating and effective. So don't forget to do that. Now, next, let's discuss phrases for resolving conflicts and addressing issues. 14th, let's find a solution that works for everyone. Aiming for a collaborative solution can de-escalate tensions. It can reduce a lot of tensions. 15th, I understand your perspective, but acknowledging the other person's viewpoint before sharing your shows respect. So you should always be respectful towards others. Next, can we discuss this in private? So, addressing sensitive issues privately maintains professionalism. You should never address this in front of public. Always try to discuss some topics in private. Finally, here are some phrases for general office communications. I'll keep you updated on the progress. Keeping colleagues informed helps in building trust. Try to maintain this trust in order to succeed in life. Next, let me double check and get back to you. Ensures you provide accurate information without communicating prematurely. Be double sure before speaking anything. Next, I look into it right away. मैं ज़रूर इसमें तुरंत देखूंगा. Shows urgency and responsiveness to tasks or issues. It shows how important it is for you as well. Last, thank you for your hard work. Expressing gratitude. Very important point. Expressing gratitude can boost morale and strengthen team spirit. And there you have it, 20 everyday phrases to enhance your communication in the office. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on improving your professional skills. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.